I am concerned that the crypto market will fall from current levels. I want to sell, but not take money out of crypto altogether, i.e. leave it in stablecoins. So could you please give your thoughts on the best, safest stablecoins out there? There's still a lot of negativity. There are people that are ahead of money center banks trying to bring the markets down. There are people on YouTube, etc., trying to bring the markets down because they missed the train. Still a lot of negativity. But there's a couple of things that I do want to touch on. First of all, this chart I covered the other day. This is from Blockware Solutions. And you can see here the short-term holder realized price. How in a bull market, and I believe the bull market has begun, with, of course, undulations. I believe we'll bounce off this green line because historically it's always done so. That means the bottom is like 25K and we are at 27K now. So it's not far for us to get there if there was a little bit of concern. But the other thing that you have to understand is Bitcoin can move fast. We saw it going from 19K and change to 30K in a very short window of time that took everybody by surprise. In addition, Bitcoin has been incredibly strong. I can't remember a Bitcoin season like this where it's dominated literally all but 2 of the top 50 cryptos. So it is still incredibly strong. But this also tells me it's time for a change. Altcoin season is coming. We just don't know when. And the alts are so much more advanced than they were in the last cycle. In addition, in answer to your big question, Dokos, which stablecoin would you flip to if you wanted to sell? Of course, I did cover this as well. The other day, yesterday, I think Tether is thriving. They are actually profitable. So people having concern that they aren't able to back up their reserves, that's no longer the case. In addition, they have a ton of Bitcoin and they bought a lot more. We just found out as well. So they're adding Bitcoin to their supply with the profits they have, because right now they have surplus and backing their stable coins. I think $79 billion worth with about 82 billion in assets behind it. So it's stunning. So all the FUD about Tether has disappeared until, well, technically, if Bitcoin did go to zero, they'd be high and dry. But I don't see that happening. And final point is this. The Bitcoin on exchanges is super thin. This is from Sentiment the other day. 5.84% is the lowest Bitcoin supply on exchanges since December 2017. And we all know what happened in December 2017. That's when Bitcoin went from 20K to 11K in about 10 days. So everybody, this thing is thin. There's not a lot of it out there. And therefore, we don't know what could happen. We do know there's a lot of stuff I'll talk about towards the end of this video regarding debt ceiling risks. And that's making a lot of people very nervous. But what we've seen so far in 2023 is when people are nervous, they go to a safe haven. That is Bitcoin. So don't miss the train. Things can move fast. I know it's summertime, a lot of clouds on the horizon. Things could turn bad. But again, if you're banking on buying in a lot cheaper, that might be very unlikely. Again, a lot of people are getting in, a lot of people missed out, and there's super, super thin supply. And right now, all the bags are being bought by the whales. All the activity on the exchanges are done by 1,000+ Bitcoin holders. So just bear that in mind.